Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Marshmallow Dalgona candy using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients: 10 large marshmallows and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. You'll also need a non-stick pan, a sheet of parchment paper, and a heat-resistant spatula. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick, sweet treat. Make sure your workspace is ready before you begin heating anything. Let's get started on this delightful candy. Now, place your 10 marshmallows and 1 tablespoon of sugar into the non-stick pan. Heat them over a very low flame, stirring constantly with your spatula. The key here is patience. You want the marshmallows to melt slowly and evenly without burning. Keep stirring until the mixture becomes a smooth, golden liquid. This process usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Don't rush it, as burnt sugar can ruin the flavor. Once your marshmallow mixture is perfectly smooth, carefully pour it onto the parchment paper. Work quickly, as it will start to set as it cools. Use your spatula or another piece of parchment paper to flatten the dalgona to about 1/4 of an inch thick. You can shape it into a large circle or several smaller pieces. Let it cool completely at room temperature for about 10 minutes until it's firm and brittle. This ensures the perfect dalgona texture. After your marshmallow dalgona has cooled and hardened, it's time to enjoy. Simply break it into smaller, bite-sized pieces. You'll love the satisfying crunch and sweet, caramelized flavor. This candy is best enjoyed fresh, so gather your friends and share your delicious creation. It's a fun and easy treat that's sure to impress. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and self-emptying for a pet-friendly home, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.